Welcome to Detailed Introduction to HTML and HTML5. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to HTML, hypertext markup language, and its latest version, HTML5. Whether you're new to web development or looking to expand your knowledge, this video will equip you with the essential skills to create stunning web pages. Understanding HTML HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the standard markup language for creating web pages and applications. It serves as the building blocks of the internet, enabling us to structure and present content online. Let's start by understanding the basics of HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language that utilizes a specific syntax to describe the structure and organization of content on a web page. It consists of a series of elements known as tags that enclose content, making it readable for web browsers. HTML tags are enclosed within angle brackets, such as an LT, HTML and GT, and LT, head and GT, and an LT, body and GT. These tags provide structure to the content they encapsulate. HTML document structure. An HTML document is structured using several essential tags. It begins with the NLT, HTML and GT, tag, which serves as the root element. Inside the NLT, HTML and GT, tag, we find two main sections, an LT, head and GT, and an LT, body and GT. The section contains metadata about the document, such as the page title, style sheets, and scripts. The actual content of the web page is placed within the section. HTML elements. HTML provides a wide range of elements to structure and format the content of web pages. These elements include headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, tables, forms, and more. Each element serves a specific purpose and has its unique set of attributes. By utilizing different elements, we can create visually appealing and interactive web pages. Introduction to HTML5. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML, introducing new features, enhanced semantics, and greater multimedia support. Let's explore some of the prominent features and improvements that HTML5 brings to the table. Improved semantics. HTML5 introduces semantic elements, such as an LT, header and GT, and LT, nav and GT and LT, section and GT and LT, article and GT, and an LT, footer and GT. These tags provide a more meaningful structure to web content, making it easier for search engines and assistive technologies to understand the page structure. Multimedia support. One of the significant advancements in HTML5 is its native support for multimedia elements without the need for third-party plugins like Flash. HTML5 introduces and tags, allowing developers to embed media content directly into web pages. Form enhancements. HTML5 provides several enhancements to web forms. It introduces new input types like email, URL, number, and date, allowing for improved input validation. Additionally, HTML5 includes an element for providing predefined options to users, and the elements to display progress bars and meters dynamically.